Most people think quitting lust addiction requires extreme willpower, but the truth is, willpower alone rarely works. What actually changes your behavior are small, daily habits. And today, I'll show you 5 simple ones that can help you regain control. Number 1. Control your environment. Most urges don't start in your mind. They start with what you see. If your phone, social media, or room is full of triggers, your brain will constantly feel tempted. Simple fixes: unfollow triggering accounts. Use website blockers. Keep your phone away at night. If you remove the trigger, the battle becomes much easier. Number 2. Move your body immediately. Urges usually last 5 to 15 minutes. Instead of sitting with the urge, change your state quickly. Do 20 push-ups. Take a cold shower. Go for a short walk. Physical movement helps reset your brain and break the urge cycle. Number 3. Stay busy with meaningful work. Lust grows stronger when you are bored and idle. When your mind has no mission, it looks for easy dopamine. Fill your day with learning new skills, studying, working on goals, exercise. A focused mind leaves little room for addiction. Number 4. Delay the urge. When the urge hits, don't fight it aggressively. Instead, say to yourself, "I will wait 10 minutes." Most urges fade if you don't act immediately. This trains your brain to regain self-control. Number 5. Remember your future self. Before giving in, ask yourself one question: will this make my future better? Most of the time, the answer is no. Thinking about your goals, discipline, and the person you want to become can give you the strength to choose long-term growth over short-term pleasure.